Currency system in India. The Indian rupee is the official currency of India. As of 2019, coins of denomination of 1 rupee is the lowest value in use. The issuance of the currency is controlled by the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank manages currency in India and derives its roles in currency management on the basis of Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. In 2010, a new rupee sign was officially adopted. It was designed by D. Uday Kumar. It was derived from the combination of the Devanagari consonant and the Latin capital letter R without its vertical bar. The parallel lines at the top are said to make an allusion to the tricolor Indian flag and also depict an equality sign that symbolizes the nation's desire to reduce economic disparity. The first series of coins with a new rupee sign started in circulation on 8 July 2011. On 8 November 2016, the Government of India announced the demonetization of 500 rupees and 1000 rupees banknotes with effect from midnight of the same day, making these notes invalid. A newly redesigned series of 500 rupees banknote, in addition to a new denomination of 2000 rupees banknote, is in circulation since 10 November 2016. On 25 August 2017, a new denomination of 200 rupees banknote was added to the Indian currency structure to fill the gap of notes due to high demand for this note after demonetization. In July 2018, the Reserve Bank of India released the 100 rupee banknote. History of the rupee. During his 5-year rule from 1540 to 1545, Sultan Sher Shah Suri issued a coin of silver weighing 178 grams or 11.53 grams, which was also termed the rupiah. During Babur's time, the brass to silver exchange ratio was roughly 50 to 2. The silver coin remained in use during the Mughal period, Maratha eras as well as in British India. Among the earliest issue of paper rupees include the Bank of Hindustan 1770 to 1832, the General Bank of Bengal and Bihar 1773 to 75 established by Baron Helsing, and the Bengal Bank 1784 to 91. This chart showing exchange rate of Indian silver rupee coin in blue and the actual value of its silver content in red against British pence from 1850 to 1900. The first war of independence in 1857, the British government took direct control of British India. Since 1851, the gold sovereign were produced in masse at the Royal Mint in Sydney, New South Wales. In an 1864 attempt to make the British gold sovereign, the imperial coin, the treasuries in Bombay and Calcutta were instructed to receive gold sovereigns. Therefore, these gold sovereigns never left the vaults, as the British government gave us hope of replacing the rupee in India with the pound sterling. It is realized for the same reason it could not be replaced the silver dollar in the Straits Settlement with an Indian rupee. Since the silver crisis of 1873, several nations switched over a gold exchange standard. Fowler Committee 1898. The Indian Currency Committee or Fowler Committee was a government committee appointed by the British-run Government of India on 29 April 1898 to examine the currency situation in India. They collected a wide range of testimony, examined as many as 49 witnesses, and only reported their conclusions in July 1899, after more than a year's deliberation. The Committee of 1898 explicitly declared themselves to be in favor of the eventual establishment of gold currency. This goal, if it was their goal, the Government of India have never attained. The values of the subdivisions of the rupee during British rule. 16 आना means 1 rupee 100 पैसे, 8 आना means 1 अठन्नी 50 पैसे, 4 आना means 1 चवन्नी 25 पैसे, 2 आना means 1 बेड़ा 12.5 पैसे, and same 1 आना equal to 1 एक अन्नी 6.25 पैसे, हाफ आना एक टका 3.12 पैसे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, 1/4 आना एक कानी एक पैसा 1.56 पैसे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, 1/8 आना एक ढेला 0.78 पैसे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली, and the value of 1/12 आना is 1 pi 0.52 पैसे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. In 1957, the rupee was decimalized and divided into 100 nai paisas. In 1964, the initial nai was dropped. Many still refer to 25, 50 and 75 paise as the 4, 8, 12 annas respectively, similar to the uses of 2 bits in American English for a quarter dollar. East India Company 1835. The 3 presidencies established by the British East India Company, Bengal, Bombay and Madras, each issued their own coinage until 1835. The coinage of the East India Company continued to be issued until 1862, even after the company had been taken over by the Crown. Regal issues 1862 to 1947. In 1862, coins were introduced known as the Regal issues, which bore the portrait of Queen Victoria and the designation India. The last of the Regal issues were copper nickel, half and 1 rupee pieces minted in 1946 and 1947, bearing the image of George VI, King and Emperor on the obverse and an Indian lion on the reverse. The first decimal coin issues in India consisted 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50 nai paises and 1 rupee. The 1 naya paisa was bronze, the 2, 5 and 10 nai paises were copper nickel, and the 25 nai paises, 50 nai paises and the 1 rupee coins were nickel. In 1964, the words naya were removed from all coins. Between 1972 and 1975, copper nickel replaced nickel in 25 and 50 paise and 1 rupee coins. In 1982, copper nickel 2 rupee coins were introduced. In 1988, stainless steel 10, 25 and 50 paise coins were introduced, followed by 1 and 5 rupee coins in 1992. 5 rupee coins made from the brass and are being minted by Reserve Bank of India. Between 2005 and 2008, new lighter 50 paises, 1, 2 and 5 rupee coin were introduced, made from ferritic stainless steel. The move was promoted by the melting down of older coins whose face values was less than their scrap value. The demonetization of 25 paise coin and all paises coin below it took place, and new series of coins were put into circulation in 2011. Coins commonly in circulation are 1, 2, 5 and 10 rupees. In 1861, the Government of India introduced its first paper money. 10 rupee note in 1864, 5 rupee note in 1872, 10,000 rupee notes in 1899, 100 rupee note in 1900, 50 rupee note in 1905, 500 rupee note in 1907, and 1000 rupee note in 1909. In 1917, 1 rupee and 2 rupee notes were introduced. The Reserve Bank of India began banknote production in 1938, issuing the 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 50, 100, 1000 and 10,000 rupee notes, while the government continued issuing 1 rupee note but demonetized the 500 and 2 rupee notes. After independence, new designs were introduced to replace the portrait of George VI. The government continued issuing the rate 1 rupee note, while the Reserve Bank issued other denominations, including 5,000 and 10,000 notes, introduced in 1949. All pre-independence banknotes were officially demonetized with effect of at 28 April 1957. During the 1970s, 20 rupees and 50 rupee notes were introduced. Denomination higher than 100 rupee were demonetized in 1978. In 1987, the 500 rupee note was introduced, followed by 1000 rupee notes and 2000 rupees while 1 rupee and 2 rupee notes were discontinued in 1995. The design of banknotes is approved by the central government on the recommendation of the Central Board of the Reserve Bank of India. Currency notes are printed at the Currency Note Press in Nasik and the Bank Note Press in Devas and the Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited at Salboni and Mysore and the Watermark Paper Manufacturing Mill in Hosangabad. The Mahatma Gandhi series of banknote are issued by the Reserve Bank of India as a legal tender. The series is so named because the obverse of each note features a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. Since its introduction in 1996, the series has replaced all issued banknotes of the Loan Capital series. The RBI introduced the series of 1996 with 10 rupees and 500 rupees banknotes. At present, the RBI issues banknotes in denominations from 5 rupee and 2000 rupees. The printing of 5 rupee notes, which had stopped earlier, resumed in 2009. As of January 2012, the new sign has been incorporated into banknotes of the Mahatma Gandhi series in denominations of 10 rupee, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 rupees. In January 2014, RBI announced it would be withdrawing from circulation all currency notes printed prior to 2005 by 31st March 2014. The deadline was later extended to 1 January 2015. The deadline was further extended to 30 June 2016. On 8 November 2016, the Reserve Bank of India announced the issuance of new 500 and 2000 rupees banknotes in new series. As of 26 April 2019, current circulating banknotes are 5 rupee notes, which main color is green. In reverse there is tractor and date of issue is 2002 and 2009. 10 rupee notes, which main color is brown. In reverse there is Konark temple and obverse there is Mahatma Gandhi and date of issue is 2018. 20 rupee notes, the main color of this note is yellow and in reverse there is Ellora Caves and date of issue of this note is 2019. 50 rupee notes, the main color of this note is teal and in reverse there is Humpy with chariot and date of issue is 2017. Next, 100 rupee notes. The main color of this note is lavender and in reverse there is Rani Ki Vav and date of issue of this note is 2018. 200 rupee notes. The main color of this note is bright yellow and in reverse there is Sanchi Stupa and date of issue of this note is 2017. 500 rupee note. The color of 500 rupee note is stone grey and in reverse there is red fort and date of issue of this note is 2016. 2000 rupee note. The main color of this note is magenta and in reverse there is Mangalyaan and date of issue of this note is 2016. Government note. It means any note issued by the central government or supplied by the central government to the bank and issued by the bank provided the liability for the payment of the value in respect of such note has developed on and it had been taken over by the bank. First, imperfect note. It means any note which is wholly or partially obliterated, shrunk, washed, altered or indecipherable but does not include a mutilated note. Mutilated note. It means a note of which a portion is missing or which is composed of more than two pieces. Next, mismatch note. It means a mutilated note which has been formed by joining a half note of any one note to a half note of another note. And fourth, soiled note. It means a note which has become dirty due to uses and also includes a two pieces note pasted together wherein both the pieces presented belong to the same note and form the entire note.